What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, King Hussle X1M, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up, all right? It's about 20 of them in there, so there's no reason or no way for you guys to keep talking to these fake King Hussle pages and getting scammed and getting mad and thinking it's me, all right? So, please be more aware. Follow the links in the description. Before you send your money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you're seeing this face. Make sure you send your money to the right person, and make sure you're getting the legit business and getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to go do anything. So let's get into it. So today I'm gonna be telling you guys, dropping some more gems. It's early morning gems, or it's early, and a lot of people want to make money, and this is what this channel is for, to help you get loans, help you learn how to make money, help you learn how to invest, help you learn how to make passive income, find new ways for you to get better in life, make more money in life, create financial freedom and things like that. So today's video, I'm gonna give you guys some gems and some sauce on how you can start from $0 and make $100,000 in 30 days, yes, only a month. And a lot of people have a hard time understanding how it can be done, but you gotta think about it. If you can make $3,000 a day, that's $90,000 a month, and it's not hard. You just gotta have the hustle, the grind, and the mentality to do it. A lot of people out there are lazy. A lot of people out there have their hand out. It's a lot of people out there that want somebody to do something for them. It's a lot of people out there that get mad at other people because they worked hard and they got something and they didn't give them anything. It's a lot of people out there like that, and it's natural. We all got a lazy bone in us. We all want to sit back and relax and have fun and live stress free. But in reality, in real life, that's not going to happen. The harder you work, the grind that you have will put you in all the positions that you need to make money, to make $1,000 a day, $2,000 a day, $3,000 a day. It doesn't matter. You got to have a passion. If you don't have a passion for anything in life, you're not going to be serious about anything in life. And what I mean about that is, okay, it's a lot of people that have passions about something, and people who have passions about something, they're not worried about the money that they could be making with this, whatever they're doing. They're worried about making good content, good product for their consumers. That's what they're worried about. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? It's all about having a passion for it, because if you got a passion for it, you're gonna work at it all day, all night until you're successful at it without even worrying about the money. And a lot of people don't understand passion can get you ahead. If you want to be the best YouTuber or the best rapper or the best whatever, long as you have a passion for it, you're gonna work hard at it, and you're gonna work harder than the average person. Consistency always will beat out talent. As long as you stay at something, as long as you stay working with something, it will happen. So it's a lot of ways for people to make money out there. It's a lot of ways for people to get money. And we all got to understand, first of all, you're not going to make any money if you're not needed or wanted. So if you don't have anything to offer anybody, or if you don't have anything that people need you for, you're not going to be wanted, which means no one's going to pay attention to you. You're not going to be relevant. You're not going to be important. And it's sad to say that's how life works. Pay attention, my people. Everybody out there that has something to offer is the celebrities, is the people who we like. If you didn't have anything to offer, we wouldn't pay attention to you. Point blank period. So all the rappers, all the celebrities, all these high-powered people that we look up to, that we are entertained by, that we watch on a daily basis, they have something to offer. It could be music, it could be entertainment, it could be whatever it is. We gravitate to the people who offer things that we need and what we want. So if you, just like you guys, you guys want money, you guys want to learn how to make money, so you're going to gravitate to my channel because I'm the person who's talking about how to make money this way, that way, how to do this and how to do that. If I wasn't talking about how to make money or how to do this or how to do that, or talking about certain things that you guys understand that will make you money, you wouldn't be paying attention to me. And it's just how it is. It's the truth. We're not going to fabricate nothing. We're not going to sit up here and lie. We're going to keep it funky as possible. Anybody that you guys are interested in is because they have something to offer that can benefit you. If no one has anything to benefit you, you're not going to want to pay attention to them. So let's just roll it back for a second. What do you have to offer? What do you have that people want and need that people's going to come to you and pay attention to? Now listen, it's so many different things out there that you could be offering. It's so many different things. Hold on, because people is weird. I'm tired of people. Boom. People been worrying me all day. People been really bothering me, and I'm trying to help y'all out. So boom, you gotta have something to offer. You gotta have something that people want and need, because as long as you got something that people want and need, they're going to continuously come back to you and to buy whatever you have. Just like with drug dealers, if the drug dealer got all the time the best of marijuana or the best of this product or the best of that product, you're going to stick to that person and continuously go back to them because they got what you need. If this hairdresser gives you the best prices and the best styles, you're going to go to that hairdresser because she fits your needs. If this store has the best blunts or the best only has this type of soda, you're going to go to that store because they have what you need and what you want and no one else has it. So what are you offering? What are you offering the people for them to want you for something? And listen, knowledge is power. The more you know about something that the next person doesn't know about and they see it working for you, they're going to follow. A lot of people are followers in the world. A lot of people, they see somebody doing something and making money with it, then they just say, oh, I'm going to do the exact same thing and I'm going to make me the same amount of money. No, because everybody in the world is different. Everybody in the world has their own power, their own niche, and their own calling. You're not going to be able to do the same thing the next person is doing. Everybody out there is not going to be able to make money like me. Everybody out there is not going to be able to make loans and do the exact thing that I do because you're not me. But as long as you have a passion for whatever you're doing, you see, because of me, I got a passion for making YouTube videos, learning new ways how to make money, learning new ways how to build credit, learning new ways how to get ahead in life, learning new ways how to be successful. That's my passion. I love talking to people. I love helping people. But some people don't have the same passion. Some people don't like to talk to people. Some people don't know how to talk to people. Some people don't know how to handle business. So let me put it to you like this. What can you offer? What can you provide to the people that they won't need? Right now, e-commerce is making a lot of money. Anybody who's selling something or giving some type of business online is making way more money than the people who are going into these 9-to-5 jobs. Point blank period, because it's a new world, it's a new age, it's a new generation. Everybody wants to make fast money. So if you're offering some type of service or also offering some type of information that'll help this person get fast money, and it's believable and they can see it and it's really happening, they're going to come to you for it. So let me give it to you like this. Okay, it's 28 to 30 days in a month. Well, 31 days in a month, right? You gotta figure out, okay, where my knowledge at? Where my brain at? What do I know about? Okay, I know about this. Let me go figure out, let me do my research and see that whatever I know about, who else knows about it? How are they teaching it? And what are the resources that they're getting from it? Because I'm going to do my research. I'm going to do my examination. I'm going to say, okay, we talk about the same thing, but they do it like this. They do it like this. But I know if I did it like this and I did it like that, I have a better reaction than what they're doing. So I'm going to take whatever they're doing and take whatever I'm doing, put it all in one, and I'm going to remix it, and I'm going to make it better than what it was before. Now I could teach somebody how to get loans, how to make $5,000 a day. Now how to get this type of trade line, how to get this type of SBA loan. It's so many things out there that people want to know. So why don't you learn it and teach it and get paid for it? You don't gotta work a 9 to 5. You guys do know the people who are millionaires or multimillionaires, they have something to offer. They got something that people want to need, and they don't work jobs. They work for themselves. People who are multimillionaires and billionaires, they pay themselves. They don't get checks. They cut the check. We all want iPhones. We all want Xboxes. We all want PlayStation 5s. We all want the hottest, latest new gear. We all want the hottest fashion, new games. That's a product. They're promoting it and they're selling the perception for it, and we're buying it. So that's how the world works. The 3 Ps: product, perception, and promotion. You find your product, you promote it, and you sell the perception that this is what the consumer wants and needs. They're going to buy it. And it's a lot of perception. It's a lot of product out there in the world. So what's going to be your product? I can't tell you what to sell, because the things that I know about, the things that I know how to sell, you might not know how to sell. You might not know about. So you're going to have a hard time on putting it out there and selling it to the consumer. But we all know about something. So what is that something that you know about that you could teach to the consumer and put it out there and have them pay you for it? That's why I teach you guys credit, so you can learn credit. And the people who are lazy and don't want to learn it and want somebody to do it for them, they can pay you. Make it make sense, people. It's a lot of different hustles out there for you to make $1,000. You could be cleaning credit, teaching people how to do whatever, hair, e-commerce, drop shipping, YouTube. It's so many different ways for you to make passive income that if you're not doing any of these things to make passive income in this year, in this world, in this age, you tripping, you slipping, you already behind, man. Because there's a lot of money being made off iPhones, social media networks, OnlyFans. You don't have to post. You got to be smart, all right? So if you want to make $0 to $100 and $100,000 in a month, think bigger. Think big. What is a product that so many people want and need? What is some information that so many people want and need that they're not willing to learn or go figure it out, that you can learn, that you can get your hands on, that you can provide to these people and have them pay you for it? So find you 3 hustles that you can get paid $1,000 for automatically. Like, this is your price, $1,000, and you'll have no problem getting it. 3 hustles. You do that, you do your research, you go hard with it, you stay consistent, and I guarantee you will make $100,000 in a month, man. It's your boy King Hussle. We're finna get back to dropping these videos, more videos on a daily basis. Be more consistent. Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and new subscribers to the channel, because without y'all, there be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Hey, I'm still looking for people for the production company. Rappers, actors, models, content creators, producers, and cameraman. Tap in. You got some music, you want me to listen to it, $200 music review. You can't invest $200 in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 into your career? You're not going to be able to go anywhere else and say, hey, I'm the next best thing. I got a hit song. Sign me now. None of that. Boom Man over there at AE want $5,000 to sit down and talk to him for you to play his music. You got to enter these music reviews. Nothing in life is free. So if you think anything in life is free, that's why you broke. Also, make sure y'all tapping in, getting y'all lessons. FaceTime 101, basic lessons, $500. Advanced lessons, $1,000, and unlimited gems is $2,000. FaceTime 101, all right? Book your seat right now in the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems. If you come in town to me, it's going to be $3,500. If I got to come out of town to you, it's going to be $4,500. $500 deposit. Once you pay your deposit, we're going to pick the date. We're going to set it up, and we're going to meet that day. Rest of the money when we meet in person. And if anybody out there want to get mentorship, you want to learn how to make money, you want me to help you make your pages and make this and do that, tap in. $3,000 and I'll mentor you, right? So make sure y'all tapping in. Anybody out there that want to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month, it's called YouTube automation, where you don't have to show your face. You don't have to do nothing but post the videos. You can make the videos yourself, or you can outsource the videos. And it's just different categories and different niches. So if you want to make $3,000 a day, $90,000 a month or more off YouTube without showing your face, without having to talk or anything like this, just posting videos, tap in with me. If you basic plan is $500, and I show you how to do it. $1,000 gold plan, I'm gonna set up your page for you. I'm gonna make your YouTube channel. I'm gonna drop 5 videos on your YouTube channel. I'm gonna set up your SEO, so your hashtag descriptions, and get it flowing in the algorithm. And if you want me to continue to help you with the channel and make money at a faster rate, I'll help you do that, and we'll split the proceeds down the middle, right? So you want to make $45,000 a month, tap in. I'm going to help you do it. We're going to get some money together, and we're going to win together, and you're going to be added to the production company, all right? So make sure y'all tap in. Make sure y'all win. It's your boy, King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.